is the mandated reporter law. Under the mandated reporter, the law has identified certain professionals that are required to make reports by law. And those professionals, I'm just going to highlight a couple: physicians, emergency medical professionals such as EMTs, police officers, firefighters, and moving forward down are directors of council on aging, outreach workers, directors of council on aging. The complete list is there for your review. These professionals, if they fail to file a referral of concern, may be subject to a $1,000 fine. It's important that you as a mandated reporter file when you have a suspicion that abuse may be taking place. There are certain professionals that are exempt from this fine, and they are home health aides, homemakers, case managers, those staff who are employed by a home care corporation or a licensed home health care agency. Within these corporations, the executive director has established their own protocol for reporting. So they'll review the case, and they will have a designated person who will then file a report with a designated agency. So the next category is a reasonable cause to believe. And under this is where we help reporters make the decision to file. As a mandated reporter, you do not need to prove the abuse has taken place. It's your role as a mandated reporter to file the report. Our role as protective services is to determine whether the abuse has been substantiated or not. So if you're unsure if it's a reportable condition, feel free to contact your designated agency, and you can certainly consult with us. The standard reporting is known as a reasonable cause to believe, which is either based on specific facts that you may have received from the elder directly, or observation, or another reliable source that has given you that information. You may be somebody that has only met the elder once, and they may have disclosed this information to you, or you may have walked in on a situation between the elder and their caregiver. You have to just have that reasonable cause to make that call to us, and we'll take it from there. As a reporter, your name is held confidential by law, and you as a mandated reporter, your confidentiality between patient and patient-mandated reporter does not prevent you from filing a report. There is a clause within HIPAA that allows you to file the report when there's a suspect of abuse. And finally, that as a reporter, you're not held criminally or in a civil manner based on the fact that you're filing a report in good faith, unless, of course, you're the alleged perpetrator who's caused the abuse. Okay, so next, moving on to the actual reporting process. There's two steps involved here. First is that you make the report to the appropriate agency, and if you're unsure of where to call, what agency, you can call the elder abuse hotline during normal business hours, and they can certainly direct you to the right agency. Each of the 22 agencies covers a certain geographical area throughout the state, so it's important to know where to call, and certainly if you call the wrong agency, we'll redirect you. And once you file the report, it's important that you follow up with a mandated reporter form, which is the written report within 48 hours of filing your report with us.